Hello, my name is David Meldrum and I paint watercolours. In 2012 I painted my first and I just got totally addicted to it. I started looking at YouTube videos, buying DVDs, reading books, just getting as much information as I could and then just practicing like crazy. So in my day job, at lunchtimes, I used to kind of, behind my computer screen, I would be doing little watercolours, just practicing any moment I got. And so 2 years ago, I started working 50%. But now, since last week, I am now a full-time artist. So welcome on my journey to see if I make it or not. It's a bit scary, I have to confess. So and this is the first time I've tried to video myself. But I will be filming as much as I can, like, you know, as I paint, as I sketch, as I run my business, as just trying to make it as a painter. So welcome, and yeah, let's take it from here. So today I'll try and show you here, but I'm doing some sketches on my sketchbook. I can show you it's a moleskine. Anyone who's interested. I actually don't like the paper, but it works just purely as a sketchbook. I don't know if you're seeing that. This painting I'll be doing pretty soon. It's up there somewhere. Right, okay, so I'm going to do these two sketches, if you can see them. Here on my computer screen, you can see the scene from Sandham. And then the next scene is also from Sandham. It's a radar beacon, I guess. Looks like. Anyway, so those are the two drawings I'm going to do now. I'm going to put my GoPro onto time-lapse, and so you'll see a speeded up version of me doing these sketches. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, that was two time lapses from an island called Sandham. Each episode I want to share a tip or a trick, because I know when I was learning how to watercolour, still am learning to watercolour, I scour the YouTube for tips and tricks. And so each episode I'd like to feature a tip or a trick, or even one of my gadgets, because I love gadgets and some of them are actually useful. So, most of them aren't. But anyway, this week I'm going to feature the Bromley tripod bracket. Now this is a very simple thing, but lots of people come and ask me where'd you get that. So it's in the link below. basically it's a bracket, and I put on the back of things like this clipboard. So this is really useful, and I attach it to my tripod. And so I'll set it up. Okay, so that was the camera tripod bracket from Bromley Art Supplies in the UK. And yeah, so basically I use it like this, and I attach it to a clipboard or a piece of plywood, and tripod bracket. That's it. I use this so much, and I found it really useful. So yeah, link below. I'm not sponsored by Bromley, by the way, just like it. Okay. Okay, that was my first vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, press like. And if you'd like to see more, subscribe. I hope to have it out next week, but this learning how to edit and to create content is it's huge, the actual learning curve. So it might take 2 weeks before I get the next episode out. But anyway, press subscribe and you'll be informed when the next one comes out. Okay, well I hope to see you soon. Have a good life in the meantime, and yeah, bye.